Hi, I'm Tanner with Nature's Ultra. In this episode of CBD 101, we're going to talk about how to use CBD and answer some of the common questions about making it part of your daily routine. Let's start with the easy stuff, how to use CBD. To use one of our CBD oils, you'll want to apply one full dropper to the desired area. If you're using our CBD muscle rub, you can apply it generously to your joints or muscle and massage it in well. If you're using our Calm CBD roll-on, you'll apply it to your neck and chest as desired. Pretty simple, right? Of course, it's not just important to know how to use CBD. Knowing how to make it part of your daily routine is just as crucial. You see, a lot of people use CBD once or twice, and when they don't experience instant results, decide that it just doesn't work for them. But before you decide CBD doesn't work for you, be sure to give it a chance. We recommend using it daily for 30 days. That will give you the opportunity to really see how CBD can work for you. The idea is to make it a consistent habit. If you're using Calm CBD roll-on, make it part of your bedtime routine. If you exercise regularly, make CBD muscle rub part of your post-workout routine. Its combination of pure essential oils and CBD offers a cooling sensation and can help soothe sore muscles. If you use CBD oils, it may help to use it around the same time every day to establish a routine. You can always use it at different times as desired, but it's a good idea to try to use it regularly so it becomes a habit. As you create a routine around CBD, it's important to remember that everyone is different. We all have our own unique circumstances and things affect us in different ways. Your experience with CBD may not be identical to other people who have used it. Don't get caught up thinking that your own experience is a failure just because it's different than somebody else's. Try writing down why you chose to start using CBD. Then jot down a few notes about how you feel every day so you can track your well-being over time. And at the end of 30 days, you'll be able to look back and reflect. You may also experience more of a result by using a higher strength product. At Nature's Ultra, each of the products is available in 2 concentrations of CBD. Some people will achieve the results they're looking for at a lower strength, and others will achieve them at a higher strength. We recommend starting at a lower concentration and working your way up to a higher concentration if desired. Over time, you'll find the perfect routine and strength for you. Thank you for joining us on this episode of CBD 101. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. See you next time.